This video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an OhPolly discount code. No jailbreak or computer needed, so keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. We're going to use our phone for this method, guys, so it's super cool. It actually works pretty crazy, so if this video works, you guys keep watching. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's so insane, bro. What the hell? It actually works, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this coupon code right now. Yo, this tutorial is updated, guys, and it is working. Alright, guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to get an OhPolly discount code. As you can see, guys, I saved $50 with this method, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this website, zestcoupons.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's zestcoupons.com. And once you're on this site, guys, what we're going to do is go to the search bar, and we're literally just going to go ahead and type in OhPolly. And as you can see, guys, it should come right up. So let's go ahead and look for it right here, as you guys can see. And somewhere in this world is the OhPolly discount codes and deals. So you want to press see more, scroll down, guys, and show coupon. There's tons of these, and then you just press unlock code and you're going to be all set. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out. I don't want to show the code though, because this is quite secret. I feel like I can share the website, but I don't want to actually share the codes with you guys, so you can get your own code, like, bro. But this actually works, guys. It's super insane. As you can see, guys, I saved a ton of money. I saved like $50 with this method. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. It actually works. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. So yeah, this is super insane. As you can see, guys, I'm paying $8 for this, and it costs $58, but the coupon code took away $50. So that is super cool, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Literally, guys, all you got to do is go ahead and go over to zestcoupons.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So zestcoupons.com, and then once you're there, guys, basically just go to the search bar and type in OhPolly. Maybe it will come up now. I don't know. But as you can see, guys, it doesn't come up, so you're gonna have to scroll down and find it. It should be in here somewhere. Yeah, there it is, OhPolly discount codes. And then you just press show coupon unlock code. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.